is I'm not a vegetarian, so I'm not a vegetarian. What?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you all are doing great and you all are safe. So if you don't know who am I'm Mandra Siddesh and I do videos based on challenges, vlogs and lifestyle videos. Just like that. And also, as you all have read by the title, this video is based on a food review. Like after so many days I am reviewing a restaurant all again. And also guys, if you are thinking I am just going to a restaurant right now or something in this pandemic, no. This was a video which was recorded a way long before and I have a lot to tell you all about this restaurant. So stay tuned and don't skip the video guys, please. So this restaurant was a mystery guys, like seriously I never thought someone could be so harsh to me or something like that, because you don't know what happens behind screen. And yeah, my friends got to know and they were like, dude, this is bad. It was the same reaction what they gave and it's all fine. So as you all know, this place is a Geometry restaurant and bar which is near Orion Mall, Rajajinagar. And also guys, what happened was something very silly on their part, because okay, when I asked them that I am a vlogger, I need to vlog your place to show, I'll be publishing the video on YouTube, they were like, okay fine, you can do it. And I'm like, okay fine, because many restaurants, because before taking the video we need to ask their permission. And yeah, many restaurants they do leave us, but these people were like, okay you can do it. And then again when the server came, the waiter, when he came, then he was like, no ma'am, you can't do it. I'm like, why? And then he was like, you need to talk to the manager. I'm like, okay, I'll speak to them. And then I went and I spoke and the person told, yeah, you can do if some people are around you. I'm like, okay fine, you told. And then I started to do a video of the ambience, okay. And yeah, I'll add a clip over here. This is the way he stopped me, like, dude, are you serious? Okay, that was the embarrassing moment for me, because there were so many people, like not many, but yeah, there were a group of people opposite to me when I was recording the video, and that was so harsh to stop a girl like doing something. You could have told me again, like you would have told me after that, okay, please don't post these videos. But the way he stopped and the way he spoke to me on that day was very bad. And I regret going to that place, to be honest. But I'll tell something which is very nice over there also. So please do stay tuned guys. So guys, as you all saw, the person just restricted me to do the video. Like I was just shooting in my phone and it was a mess. So let it go. I don't want to speak about that day. And also guys, don't be disappointed. Like I won't be showing the ambience. I have an alternative idea for you all. That is nothing but I'll be adding the pictures, like the ambience pictures, so that you all can see it before going over there. So guys, before jumping into the video, I have few disclaimers to speak to you all. If you know me from before, you know all the disclaimers, right? The first one is I'm not an alcoholic or something, so I can't review those things like
Beer, whiskey, rum, vodka. The only four, I guess. Mocktail or cocktail? No, I don't know. Just ignore this, okay? Please ignore me. I don't know about this thing.
And the second thing is I don't smoke. Like I'm proud to tell this to, you know, like 20-year-old girl not doing all these things. See. So guys, the third thing is I am a vegetarian, so I won't be reviewing too much of non-vegetarian items because I won't eat it, right? How can I even review that? But don't be disappointed. And yes guys, my friends are so bad, they eat and they all, like many people are non-vegetarian, so I will be reviewing those food when they order. So okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So guys, as you all can see, the first thing was mango milkshake if I'm not wrong, and the way they have presented it is like wow, like bomb, best thing ever. And the taste was yum guys, like we were craving for this and we were like, oh god, it's worth the price also. And it was so tasty and the quantity was also good and the quality too. So I would rate this 5 on 5. Like basically it was so good. So guys, the next one was in kiwi flavor, as you all can see. I don't know, like my friend loved it so much and she was like, this is something very nice, but I would not give so much because kiwi fruit you can get in 20-30 rupees outside and you can do this milkshake, and the quality was good and I would give it 4 out of 5. And the third thing is blueberry mojito, and it was the best because it's my selection, and I would give it 5 out of 5, and the quantity, quality, everything. But the best was mango milkshake, like the best, guys. You must try that. Okay, here comes everyone's favorite, right? Peri peri fries, and it was damn great, guys. Like for 150, the quantity, quality, everything was so good. I would recommend this, and please do take mayonnaise too much because their mayonnaise are very good, if I'm not wrong. And yes, I would give 5 out of 5 for this. So guys, as you all can see, the next one was paneer tikka pizza, and it was for 275 rupees, and it was worthless because the pizza base was so thin, and I didn't like the pizza at all because it was not as good as the Domino's provide us. And I can never recommend, and I will never recommend this for you all. Please don't waste your money on that. Than buying that, buy something else. I would rate this 2 out of 5 just for the paneer, you guys. Okay, the next one was white sauce pasta. As you all can see, I don't remember the price of this, and to be honest, guys, this was the yummiest ever pasta. I just love their white sauce pasta, and I will recommend you all. The quantity was a bit less, but the quality is so good, so you all can give it a try, guys. I would give 5 out of 5 for this. So guys, the last one was veg biryani, and it was damn great. It had almost every veggies in it, and it was damn spicy also, and the quantity, quality, everything was more. And yes, I would give 4.5 out of 5 because something was missing, but it's okay, and it was great, and you all can try this also. Yeah, before that man stopped me, I just record this clip. Just watch it. These are the pictures what I got through internet, so just have a look.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you all liked the review of the restaurant and the ambience, food, everything over there. And also guys, if you would have liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. Meet you all very soon.